All right, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a new look for you guys, this 10-inch bob wig from Beauty Forever Hair that's also affordable. So if you're interested in this look, keep on watching. All right, you guys, so this wig again is from Beauty Forever Hair. It is a 10-inch bob wig. It's supposed to come with a pre-plucked hairline, but that's as pre-plucked as you're gonna get. Other than that, it's just straight hair. It comes with your normal 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back with this brown lace. So let's get into this tutorial. All right, you guys, so let's start on this hairline. So I already showed you a close-up, well, kind of a close-up of the hairline, but I'm just spraying this, spraying the wig with some water, and then I'm just gonna comb it back a little bit so that you can really see what you're working with. So I needed to just attack the hairline. You guys can see it's not really pre-plucked like it says, and it just needed to be thinned out tremendously. So that's all I'm doing here. It's not super difficult, you know, plucking the hair out of the wig, but actually making a hairline is a little bit more complicated. So I just did the best that I could. So I spent about 30 minutes plucking this hairline, and I went pretty slow because my hand was hurting really bad like previously. But yeah, so I just wanted to thin it out a bit, and it's like I said, it's not difficult to do. It didn't really take much effort on my part, just, you know, just plucking away. So that's what I did in the beginning. As you can see, it's still not the best, but it's better than what it was. So if you ever get a wig that, you know, that needs a little bit of help or has a hairline like this, don't just slap it on and go. Just pluck a little bit, because a little bit, it may not seem like it's gonna be like that big of a deal, but a little bit makes a difference. So after I've got the hard part out the way, which was plucking, I'm just taking my wax stick, and this is what I've been doing to get like a really flat install, just using like the heck out of my wax stick along with my hot comb right here, and just really pressing on the hair on the mannequin head, and also pushing the hair back like I'm doing here so that it's easier to install. But this technique has really changed my wig game. It really gets me a nice flat natural install. So I'll go through the parts, go through a little bit, and, you know, like I'm doing here, section by section, and just flatten it out as much as I can. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. As far as the lace goes, it was just regular, you know, brown lace, nothing super special, just your standard lace. I would say if the price isn't that big of a difference, or if you can find it, or if they offer it, getting this wig, like a 10-inch, like the same exact wig, but in like transparent lace or HD lace, something like that, probably like HD lace, I don't know, would be so much better and just so much more natural, especially if you planned on wearing it like all the time. All right, you guys, so I just popped this on my head, looking a little bit like Lord Farquaad here. So I was like, let me hurry up and get this part straight, get this wig, you know, glued down, whatever, hairspray down on my head so I can look cute. So from here, you guys, I do the same thing over and over. So I'm not gonna talk that much through it, but I'm just gonna cut the lace really close to the hairline. And then I'm using my TGIN hard head spray, and I'm spraying that directly on the lace. And I forgot to mention, but I think this wig is a size large, but I'll put everything down in the description box for you so that you will have it. But it was very comfortable. And I do have a big head. So if you have a big head like me, then just know that you'll be good with this wig and won't end up with a headache within just a few hours. So just wiping off the residue with just a baby wipe. And then I'm gonna go in with adding some baby hair, just doing my edges. This was a little bit of a struggle for me, so I kind of took my time with it, and I've learned that if I'm like unsure what to do, which I was kind of unsure what to do as far as my adolescent hair goes, because they definitely ain't baby hair, but I was unsure what to do, and I just stuck with less is more. So I've been taking that approach and not doing like too much when it comes to laying my edges down, and I think it's been working out pretty well for me lately. So quick tip, just in case you are new to the wig game, I like to alternate with my edge brush using the actual brush side and the comb side. However, I feel like I get a more natural like look when I use my comb like I am doing here. So just try it. I know when I first started, I used to only use the brush side, but using that comb just makes some kind of a difference. So this is what we're looking like after I let it set for just, you know, while I popped on some makeup. And then from here, y'all, it's super easy. I'm just going to flat iron my hair pretty straight, and that's really it. I'm using my Baby Bliss flat iron. If you're ever curious about what I use in my videos, as far as like my wig videos, any hairstyling videos, check the description box for my Amazon store link. It's in every single video I do, and I have every single hair product that I feel like I've ever used and that I like. Not necessarily ever used, I don't want to say that, but that I like in my Amazon store. And I also have tons of other different things, so check that link down below. But yeah, just gonna flat iron this really quickly. FYI, this hair was super soft, you guys, super bouncy. It is 150% density, which is perfect for this. I know sometimes when it comes to bob wigs, short wigs, that kind of thing, some of y'all like get screwed or you don't like the density, but I liked it. I think this is great for this type of style, this type of inch. You don't want to have like super short hair with, you know, 200% density, in my opinion. That just won't look right. So as long as your hair underneath is as flat as possible, which I tried to get mine, it's not in my normal mini twist, then you should be all right. So just gonna finish this up, and then I will be back with my final thoughts on this bob wig. All right, hey y'all, so just wanted to come on here really quickly and give you all my thoughts about this wig. I have mixed feelings about it, and I just want to express how I feel with y'all like I normally do. So let me get right into it. First off, I want to say the end result is not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought that this wig was going to be a complete disaster, you guys, because the hairline, as you saw, needed so much work. I actually, like, my right hand hurts, mainly my thumb, and so plucking today was like, oh my God, it was a nightmare for me. I was in a lot of pain. I've been sneezing, my eyes been watering. It's a lot going on with me, so I just did not have the strength to like really get this wig detailed as far as the hairline goes. And also, I'm not super skilled as far as like making a whole hairline when it comes to a wig, because that's literally the only issue that I have. You are gonna have to end up making your own hairline, customizing the heck out of this wig. However, that's not a bad thing. While I was actually plucking, I was kind of thinking to myself, like, this will be a great wig for someone who was really getting into customizing and needed like a blank slate wig. I have not seen a wig come like this, like no starting point, no little bit of baby hair, no nothing. I don't know the last time I've seen a wig come like this. And if you really wanted to practice your skills and really, like, you know, focus on the hairline, this will be a really great wig for that. So that's kind of my thoughts there. If you're a beginner
and you don't know anything about hairlines, you've never plucked, I just don't think this is the wig for you. There are plenty other wigs out there. I'm sure Beauty Forever has plenty other wigs too that have at least a pre-plucked hairline, so I think you should go that route. This is also a great wig for someone whose hairline maybe isn't like I don't know the word. I want to say wonky. I don't know why I'm using that word, but whatever. But yeah, you guys get what I'm saying, because then again, it's really customizable. So you know how most wigs kind of give you a guide for a hairline? This one like really doesn't give you anything. Here's the thing. If you're on a budget, you love the cut, because I love the cut. I love the hair. I love the cut of it. I love the length. I love everything else about this wig except for the hairline. So I'm kind of like, because I love it so much, me having to put in 30 minutes of plucking, and the hairline is still not to my liking. It's still not how I want it. It's so much more plucking to do. However, I like everything else. So I'm just kind of like, is it worth it? It may be. It may be to some of you guys. So I didn't know how much I would like this entire look, y'all, but I do. I know I'm giving you all like fall vibes, winter vibes, sort of kind of like you would think is like 50 degrees or cool outside or something like that. I got on sweatshirts and stuff. But you know what? I was just like, I'm ready for the fall. I'm ready for the winter. I'm ready for me to be in the house because I want to be in the house because it's too cold to be outside, you know, not because of everything that's going on. Christmas in July. That's kind of the vibe I'm trying to give you. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I gave you an affordable wig. I know you guys love these kind of, you know, wigs and things like that. It's a lot of at home right now. And this is one of those looks you can still be decent, don't have to put much effort into, and, you know, is pocket friendly as well. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, comments, anything like that, please put them down below, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.